Hello mommies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are presenting just another toddler learning using flashcards. So what are flashcards after all? Flashcard is a piece of card that has a hint or image on the front side and the answer corresponding to it on the back side. In fact, flashcards is an effective way to help toddlers build their language and speech using different variety of flashcards. Like I have different sets of flashcards here like vehicles, parts of body, shapes and colors, birds, etc. So now let us get into the video and watch how toddlers can learn using flashcards.
Hi guys.
Can you point out where is balloon?
Balloon.
Can you point out where is hat?
Hat.
Can you point out where is egg?
Egg.
Can you point out where is star?
Dog.
Star.
Star.
Can you point out where is kite?
Kite.
Can you point out where is shoes?
Shoes.
Can you point out where is birthday hat?
Body hat. Hat.
Yeah, where is coffee mug?
Coffee. Milk.
Milk. Can you point out where is TV? Television? Here.
TV.
Can you point out where is chair? Chair.
Chair.
Okay. Point out where is air balloon?
Balloon.
Can you point out where is car?
Car.
Can you point out where is bus?
Bus.
Can you point out where is scooter?
Scooter.
Can you point out where is cycle?
Cycle.
Can you point out where is bike?
Bike.
Show me. Can you point out where is train?
Train.
Can you point out where is aeroplane?
Airplane.
Crow.
Go.
Can you point out where is pigeon?
Pigeon.
Can you point out where is dove?
Dog.
Where is dove?
Dog.
Dove, dove. Where is dove?
Dog. Dog.
Show me where is duck. Correct.
Duck.
Peacock.
Peacock.
Show me where is peacock.
Peacock.
Where is peacock? So that's how you can smartly teach your kids, and flashcards is definitely a great learning tool than mobile learning. So we can take different sets of flashcards for different subject learning like parts of body, colors and shapes, vehicles, birds, flowers, vegetables, alphabets, etc. And I hope this video would be definitely helpful to some of you. If it is, then don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell icon to never miss a video update. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Meena. Stay tuned till my next video.